life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Last weekend nga ay sinelebrate ng pamilya ni Pilita Corrales lalong-lalo nga ng kanyang dalawang anak na sila Jackie Lou Blanco at Ramon Christopher Gutierrez ang ikat-85th birthday ng kanilang mami na si Pilita Corrales. Originally, last August 22, 2024 nga ang ika-85th birthday ni Miss Pilita Corrales pero isinelebrate nga nila ito last weekend na dinaluhan naman ng kanilang mga malalapit na mga kaibigan sa showbiz industry maging sa labas ng showbiz industry at syempre ng kanilang mga kapamilya. Spotted nga dito ang kanyang dalawang anak na si Monching at si Jackie Lou Blanco. At syempre, present din nga ang kanyang mga apo na sila Arabella at Ricky May Dabao, pati na rin ang anak ni Monching na sila Janine Gutierrez, Maxine, Diego, at Jessica. At nakakatuwang naroroon din nga si Mr. Eddie Gutierrez kasama nga ang kanyang asawa na si Annabel Rama, maging ang talaga namang umiidolo nga kay Miss Pilita Corrales na si Dulce at ang mga veteranong singer na sila Gary Valenciano at Martin Rivera. At marami naman sa mga netizens ang talaga namang natuwa at naspatan nga nila si Jericho Rosales sa birthday ng lola ni Janine. At hindi nga lang yon dahil nagkaroon nga rin siya ng special number kung saan hinarana nga niya si Miss Pilita Corrales. Samantala, marami naman ang naluha sa ibinahagi ni Miss Dulce kung saan paano nga niya talaga namang iniidolo si Miss Pilita Corrales at kung paano nga ba siya nito natulungan para maging successful sa buhay. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanilang ibinahagi.
Makikinood ba? Magpabayad ka ng 10 centavos. At that time, medyo mahirap hanap ng cheese, Brother Gary. Kasi talaga sa barrio kami and gusto ko siyang makita kasi wala namang ibang pangalan na naririnig ako kundi Pilita Corrales lang talaga. You know, hintayin mo mga Jokerino, mga kung ano mga show before. And nakikiusap ako sa may-ari ng bahay. Sabi ko, gusto kong manood pero wala ako pang bayad ng cheese. Sabi ko, pwede ako nalang magpunot, maglambaso bukas. Gagawa ko ng floor wax. Yung floor wax ko na gagawin ko, kukuha ko ng mga kandila sa semeteryo. Tapos yung iniinit siya, lalagyan ng kerosene. Yun yung pang ko para kumintab yung sahig. Di mo alam yung Ma'am Gina, no? Yeah, so that's how my dream of becoming a singer started. Yung ay hahanapin ko lang talaga yung mga pagkakataon na gano'n. And may nagbigay sa akin ng long playing album. Wala naman akong turntable. So ang ginawa ko, yung kanyang picture, yung Pilita in Motion, it's a ganun yung nag-flip. Ang ginawa ko yung bahay namin kasi di ba nipa, nakaganyan yan yung nipa. So yung kanyang album, dinikit ko talaga doon sa bubong. Ito yan. And mga ang dingding namin, dinidikitan ko kung saan ako nakakuha ng mga pictures ng Bisaya Magazine and all that. And nakatanaw ako doon, alam kong merong mangyayari, alam kong meron akong mararating, basta siya yung naging, totoo yun, that's why every time I post about her that, you know, she paved the way for us Cebuano singers and she really plays the trail for me to follow. Kung nasaan ako naroon ngayon because I really look up to her. And the very first time I saw her was when I was singing already in Cebu Restaurant when I was 14 years old in Makati. Si Fai, siya yung laging, si Tito Fai mo, siya yung laging nakakanood sa akin and kinikwento niya sa akin, kapatid siya ni Pilita Corrales. Tapos sabi ko, nangangarap ako makita ko si Miss Pilita in person. Dinalan niya sa Cebu Restaurant si Miss Pilita Corrales. And that was my first time to see her. Tapos parang kahit saan siya pupunta, titignan ko sa sinusundan ko. And every time she sings, kahit na yung ngayong panahon ko saan siya, kahit pareho kaming guest sa mga events, I just sit down and just stay there in front of her to listen to her and watch her perform. I don't want to waste one moment na hindi ko siya nakikita every time she stands on stage. That's how much I adore Miss Pilita Corrales. And yes. And I am taking this opportunity to thank her. Ako dami ko tissue, thank you. Kasi po, sa totoo lang, noong nabigyan ako ng break, George Canseco gave me the songs to record. Pero yung talagang nagkaroon ng signature song, but the song that really made it doon sa, kasi nung panahon namin, nung hindi pa sila Martin and Gary, jukebox. Oo, so, kaisa-isa kong OPM na sumama sa jukebox, kaya nasa buntot ako ng jukebox queens. It's the song that was originally recorded by Miss Pilita Corrales, song written by Doming Amarillo and George Canseco. At ito yung ipinagmamalaki ko na kaisa-isa kong hit song talaga. And I would like to do this tonight because gusto kong ihandog sa kanya
to put two songs, and I'm saying we, because I'd like to call somebody here who I can't do this song with anybody else except this man.
Oh.
Because it's two songs that I feel are perfect. Martin, come.
That's your intro.
Good boy, now here.
To continue his story, then after Pilita and Jackie got in, you became a monthly guest, right? Once a month, that's what they told me.
Yeah, that's right.
Once a month guest. And then I came into the picture, Gina, who's one of the writers. And that's how I got to be seen by my Pilita. And she made me also a monthly guest. So the question is, which monthly guest did you like the most? Okay, the ending is bad. You were there during the height of Pilita and Jackie. After my first month, the show was cancelled. Anyways, let's go.
I haven't said anything, okay? So I'm going to defend
You don't need
myself.
to wait. My story ended, so did the show. So it's the same device. So
But what's nice about what we're going to do is that one of the songs that we put into this mashup is a song that Martin actually wrote. The one I'm going to do is a song written by a man named Stephen Curtis Chapman. And I think the message of this medley, this mashup, is so perfect because I can see how all of you have been here for Pilita. And I've seen how Pilita has been.
In your dreams they need more time. I'll be there for you.
and the walls will keep breaking, and the future is fading. I'll be there for you.
It's called Change the World. My mother sings your songs, and Janine knows about this. You were big in the house because she just sings your song. No, who doesn't sing your songs? Anyway, here we go. You're gonna sing with me, right? Okay. If I reach the top, pull one down for you. I'll shine on your heart.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe